Morning, everyone. We are ready for church. And I want to show you guys my bullet dusty. Isn't it just so beautiful? No, I need to have breakfast before I go to church. I'm trying to starve in church. Y'all know how long church takes? I finished having breakfast. Now we're on our way to church. I am seriously thinking of getting braces. Yeah, I'm not really happy with my teeth. I mean, they're not the worst, but they're not the best.
But guys,
some of my teeth,
I'm gonna put my cold teeth in.
Yeah, also wants a gold tooth, but because my tooth, like my wisdom teeth are growing at the back, it's pushing all of the teeth like winky wonky.
If you move on, breast.
10,000.
Oh no. Oh, okay. You better stop that now.
Why?
It's not good.
Yes, it is, honey. You can pay it off.
Right.
Yes. I said to Aussie, do like this. Aussie, try. Go do it.
No. Let's go.
You look like a valet, bro.
You're a volley girl.
We finished church not long ago, and now we're off to help my sister clean the house that she bought. And it's kind of like an investment property, but I don't know if these girls are getting paid for it. This is the house, everyone. This is the house. Bit of dodgy painting here and there. No one's home.
No, but honestly, look for you.
Siaosi should change this. Siaosi's a glazer, so my man can change that. It's all rusty and dusty, guys. Oh, it looks like this something used to be standing up here.
Used to live here. Oh, something used to be around here. It used to be a gate.
Oh, they've already started pulling out the carpet. I like that carpet. It is so nice.
The dog was pissing on it. It smells yuck.
Guys, we are too early here. We are too early here. My sister and my cousin's taking their time, which is Gua's sister. This is my cousin. That was in the high note challenge. And they are taking too long. So I'm gonna we are gonna go for a run around the block, because we are just so fit like that, aren't we, Gua? Aren't we, Gua? We are just so fit, man. So we're just gonna go for a run around the block. You guys can come with us and try. Oh, it's on. Oops. Well, because I turned it on because it was charging my phone. As you can see, it is so cold and windy, and we're still being die-hard soldiers going for this run. Whoa, just do this. They won't know. Oh yeah. We made it this far, guys. We're at the bus stop, and we are waiting for the van to come past this way so we can jump into it. No. So we can jump into it. No, we're not coming on your bus. Our camera's gonna die pretty soon. I was really hoping to get some funny things while vlogging them clean the house, because I ain't come to clean crap, yo. I just came to chill. I just came to Netflix and chill. Even though they don't even have a TV in there yet. Oh my gosh, it's raining, Gua. We like ran / walked all this way.
The whole way.
I'm pretty cold now. I'm pretty cold now. It's like spitting now.
So if they wanted the jumper and all the...
Well, you should have known to bring a jumper. And Aussie's at home cooking everyone's wine. He's a loyal man, that one. He's cooking.
Uncle will not let him come.
He's gonna come later. We'll see him soon, because he's got to bring the charger for the camera, because it's gonna die soon, and also the tripod, so we can get some funnies for you today. Anyways, I'm gonna turn it off before the camera dies. Bye. Water. Water.
Don't touch that black bag.
Get
That's
out
the
and
stuff
take
that
off
you
my
must
little
do.
see like you didn't do anything.
This is such a nice backyard. What up, everyone, and welcome back to SV Squad. And I just made that up. SV Squad.
Wow, stop fucking around! Wait.
Oh, you're gonna drop it. You're getting it dirty. So this is the house. Oh, that's not too bad. Nice fridge.
I smell food in there.
The carpet's already been ripped up. I like it. I like the color of that wall.
I'm having my birthday.
And this one, I know what told me. Sweet 16. It's a 6-beddy house. Wow, this is the rumbus. I'm assuming. Guys, I am so tired. As you can see, we're pretty busy here. Trying to assemble some units. Just a little side note as well. You know, Molly, my sister who bought the house, her and her sister have been gone. You know, they always do this. They just go off for their little trips and say they're going to here and here and here. But really, they went and ate. They went to my house and ate. And they got us here starving our butts off. And now she ain't even picking up. And we've just been here cleaning the house. Hey, we cleaned like the whole house, eh? Well, we cleaned a bit. Guys, it's 8 o'clock. Those guys left at like 3 o'clock. They just got home now. So we're hiding in the car and they're in there and they're looking for us. So we're gonna go around the house and scare them. This is some neck level crap, man. I'm scared. I'm actually scared of our own prank. No, the light's gonna turn on. The light's gonna turn on. I'm so tired. From all that running, I couldn't keep quiet. Did you guys see us? No. Oh.
Were you just trying to prank us?
Yeah.
Epic fail.
No, it wasn't. We saw you looking for us. I was like, I needed some air in these lungs. I'm so tired. I was like farting all over the place. Oh my god, my tummy hurts from eating. I was like running. I'm like, oh my god, I can't keep it in.
No, I'm not because you coughed and I couldn't. And your breath is so hard. So I was like,
I was trying to catch. I was trying to catch my breath, man. No, you lower. You guys took for like 4 hours.
you know we were stuck in the first guy?
It's almost 9 o'clock and we still grinding to shining.
It's almost what?
9.
It looks nice, Amy.
It's 8:36. So we've got a little bit of progress. That's the thing that I assembled today. Got some lights in here, rug, some chairs, and the beautifulest couple in the world. Also, a fun fact, we're also having Vainga's, I was about to say 21st, we're also having Vainga's 16th birthday in this house. We're gonna turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. It's gonna be lit.
So I think you're gonna do the games.
It's gonna be turned.
I think you're gonna do the games then.
No, Molly, you're gonna do the games. I'm just coming to have some fun.
Come to eat some food. It was really weird that I'm inviting my own sisters to come over. inviting.
We're finally calling it a night, guys. We're about to go home. We're about to get out of this space. Okay, guys, we're gonna end the vlog now. Siosi's upstairs trying to fix the bed. So I got my special cousin here, Gua. We actually got the same name. Did you notice that? Oh, Victoria Tour. Victoria Tour. Anyways, so Gua's gonna pick comment of the day. So she's gonna close her eyes and then pick it.
I like this comment.
Okay. Oh, it's from, say who it's from.
Joanna Suo.
OMG, that Asian lady face must have been priceless when Siaosi walked in behind her. That is too funny. It was so hilarious. If you watched my previous vlog, we walked into somebody's house because we thought it was a house inspection. And the Asian lady's like trying to close her door and Siosi's like trying to pull it open and she's like, no. It was actually really funny. Anyways, we love you guys and subscribe to our channel, give us a like, make sure you thumbs up this video and comment down below, leave us some feedback. Anyways, this is SB Squad out.